In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Tradingview and Okx crypto account. If you're someone who loves tracking market trends, analyzing charts, or trading cryptocurrencies, connecting these two platforms is a game changer. Tradingview offers an incredible suite of tools for technical analysis, while Okx provides a secure and seamless trading experience. By linking these two, you'll be able to analyze charts and execute trades all in one place, saving time and making your trading process more efficient. If you don't already have an Okx account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started with the preparation. First, you'll need to log in to your Okx account. This is the account that Tradingview will need access to in order to establish the connection. If you haven't already, make sure your Okx account is fully set up and verified. This is a crucial step because a verified account is necessary to enable all the trading and syncing features between the two platforms. Without verification, you won't be able to complete the connection. Now that we've covered the preparation, let's move on to accessing the trading panel within Tradingview. Open up Tradingview and navigate to the main interface. Once you're there, look towards the bottom of your screen to find the trading panel. Now, if you don't see this panel right away, it might be hidden or collapsed. Don't worry, just look for a small tab or arrow at the bottom of the screen and click it to expand the panel. This will reveal all the available options you'll need to proceed. Next up, we're going to connect Tradingview to your Okx account. In the trading panel, there's a search bar. Go ahead and type in Okx. This will narrow down the list of brokerages, making it easy for you to locate Okx quickly. Once you see the Okx logo appear in the search results, click on it. After that, you'll see a Connect button. Click it to start the connection process. At this point, you'll be prompted to grant permission for Tradingview to access your Okx account. This step is important because it ensures that the data sharing between the two platforms is secure and authorized. Depending on your setup, you might need to complete additional verification steps required by Okx. For example, you may receive a code sent to your email, or you might need to confirm the connection through the Okx app. In some cases, both methods might be required. This part of the process is a standard security measure, so it could take a minute or two. Be patient and follow the instructions carefully. And now for the final part of the setup. Once the connection process is complete, verify that your Okx account details appear within Tradingview. This is a confirmation that the connection was successful. If everything looks good, you're ready to start using Tradingview to analyze charts and execute trades directly through your Okx account. With everything linked, you can now enjoy the convenience of managing your trades and market analysis all in one streamlined platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.